Okay, so instead of taking a fish oil supplement, how many times a week should you eat fish, no matter what kind of fish we're talking about?
Right. Maybe if you eat it daily, you can avoid a fish oil supplement, but it depends what you have. If you have elevated triglycerides, or you have a risk of heart disease, or you have achy joints, and you can tolerate fish oil without getting acne, which some people still get acne and belching and burping, then you're still going to end up with a fish oil supplement, even if you are eating fish until you have gills. I mean.